All right, welcome guys to today's video. I'm going to introduce a website to you guys. The name of the website is called mnsocial. Okay, it is a subsidiary of Minenaira. They pay you guys for chatting, commenting, liking, sharing, posting, and making friends. It's just like Facebook, but they pay you. Most of us use Facebook for free. We spend our data and we get nothing out of it. But here you can make friends, socialize with your friends, connect with your friends, like their stuff, post your own. When they like your stuff, make money. And they pay you 15 hour pay referral for pay referral. Yeah. So let's go ahead and go to the website mnsocial.ng. Okay, this is the website. So sweet. This is the home page of the website. Okay, now you log in. I'm already registered. You click on create an account if you have not registered. Now once you're logged in, this is the home page, or this is the screen you see. Welcome to MN Social, where you are rewarded for socializing. MN Social is a social community that pays its members for liking posts, making meaningful comments on posts, creating meaningful posts, reacting to posts of others, and inviting friends using their referral link. Earn 15-hour pay for every person you invite. We pay every 25th to 30th of every month, so make withdrawals before then. They have a rule. We warn against posting senseless, irrelevant comments and silly images and posts. We accept English only. Don't spam and post silly links of PTC/GPT sites. Pay to click and get paid to. Yeah, that's what it means. No pornographic content that promotes gambling, hate, illegal drugs, and any item condemned by law. You'll be suspended and your earnings wiped out. I hope what is enough for the wise. Post whatever you like here. You can write articles, you can create, just like Facebook. So I don't think this is going to be very difficult for anyone. If you are familiar with Facebook, if you're familiar with this, okay. Now this is it. You like stuff. That's all. You like stuff. That's all. Okay. You get paid for liking. Yeah. So you like this. Okay. You like this. You can comment. Let me make comments now. From black to yellow, you can say I pity you and post. Just use the system maturely. Don't try to trick them, because you won't pay at the end, so there's no point and you'll be banned. So use it as you're using Facebook. Post meaningful stuff, make good friends, connect. Don't post silly stuff. Don't comment silly things. Just use it responsibly. So this is how it works. Simple. You just scroll the timeline, add anybody you want. You get, see, add friends. Just become popular on the page. Add friends, like pages, understand, follow people. So when they post, you see their stuff and like. You post, they see yours and like. You get paid. Just keep socializing. That's the network. Already I have friend requests from people. You see, I'll just confirm this, and when they post stuff, understand, I get paid for it, for liking their stuff. So what are you waiting for? Now see my point here. I have 75 points, which is 25 kobo. Yes, just like that, I've made 25 kobo doing nothing. So Facebook is in trouble, right? You get paid for liking stuff or socializing. So this is what 50 points equals to 1 naira. See, I have 115 points. I have 2.30 naira. Yes. Okay. If you want to withdraw, you come here. Minimum withdrawal is just 600 naira. You type the amount, your bank details, bank account details, and everything here. Amount. Select pay stack and make a withdrawal. That's all. So in the next video I'll explain more how you can make money from affiliates, stuff like that. So also you can copy your referral link here. You can copy your referral link. Copy this link, okay, and share it to people on Facebook and so on and so forth. That's it. Alright, see you guys next time.